What is flexible risk to reward ratio? It's a trade risk management techniques where you focus on identifying exactly the level of stop loss and the level of profit that the market is offering you at that particular point in time. As a result, this may often require that you use a variable risk to reward ratio. That is to say, for one trade you might be using 1 to 1, for another trade you might be using 1 to 10, for another trade you might be using 1 to 7 risk to reward ratio. There are two main reasons why flexible risk to reward system is the best. Number one, it increases your win rate to 100% or close. And most importantly, number two, it increases your total trading profit. Now, take a look.
Alright guys, we are here. I want to take you through how I use my flexible risk to reward ratio, because that's how I trade actually. So what you're seeing on the screen is a trade that I took. I still recorded it. The risk to reward ratio is here. That's 1 to 2.8 risk to reward ratio. I sacrificed 35 pip to win about 100 pip. So let me forward this screen recording for you to see that actually, as you can see, let's say I won the trade. All right, so let me take you to other trades. Yes, this is I took this trade back to back. This is 3 trades I took back to back. That's one day, in fact one afternoon. I want you to see around here the real difference that it makes to actually use flexible risk to reward ratio. Now this is the trade number 1, and this is the trade number 2, and this is the trade number 3. All right, so talking about trade number 1, this trade number 1, I mean this here, the risk to reward ratio for that is 1 to 5. That's what I used it. You can see a tight stop loss there. I came late to the market, so I had to take the trade here. Now see the difference. If I took this trade anything above this place, I would have lost it. You can see it just hit my target profit, and what happened? You see at this point, would have taken me out of the market. Looking at the second one, you will observe something there. You will find out that this is 1 to 2.8 risk to reward ratio. That's this. It did about 150 pips. You can see this is 1 to 2.8, while the first one is 1 to 5. Now the last one is also 1 to 5. Now this last one is also 1 to 5. That's trade number 3. All right guys, so let me show you something else. Yeah, so we are here. You can see this particular trade on your screen. You can see what happened here. This is 1 to 1.9, almost 1 to 2, not up to 1 to 2 risk to reward ratio. Now I took the trade around here. I took the trade there. I can see what happened, because I take a trade even if I came late to the market and I want to make my money that time. I'll just look at the trade and find out where I can take my profit. So I came late. I would have taken the trade around here. I saw the market. I decided to enter and get some stuff out of it, and you can see I took my profit here. Now look at something remarkable about this. I sacrificed 40 something pip just to get around 88 pip or thereabouts. You can see that. So this trade is 1 to 1.9, almost 1 to 2 risk to reward ratio, and you can see what have happened. If I decided to take my profit around here now, did you see what would have happened? Maybe here, this is what would have happened. I've been taken out here. So this is a typical trade where you understand what the market is doing and where the market is offering you the opportunity to take your profit. We see, just like I said earlier already, it would have taken me out around this point, and look at it, just hit my take profit and it reversed, went upwards, and then so you can see that. So all the trade In fact, all the trades I'm showing you now, I took them just within one day. The one I've showed you before and the one this one you are seeing now, they're all same day trade. So my risk to reward ratio was what helped me to win all these trades. What matters is money coming into your bank, getting into your account. And now let's see another one. This one has a very tight stop loss. Tight stop loss. In fact, the stop loss here is not up to 20 pips. You get, it's not up to 20 pips. All right, because I looked at the market and I saw what the market is offering me, so that's why I say it's flexible one. I love it because you just look at the market and see what the market is doing, and then you try to take your trade. So I risked about 20 pips to win what 540 pips. This, I trade gold mostly, and then BTC. I swing BTC actually. All right, I took gold basically. You get that? So now this particular trade took about 2 hours 20 minutes to materialize, and I took it early morning the same day. All these trades I'm showing you now, I took them the same day. This is 1 to 28 risk to reward ratio. Okay, and you can see what happened. Not too long after I took my profit, not too long, the market got to this place. See, the market started reversing here. Did you see that? The market started reversing around this point. And in fact, start reversing here, but you can see it's getting into my take profit area. You get it? So this is the beauty of flexible risk to reward ratio, because it's going to help you to win a lot of trades. These trades, I took them same day and I won all of them. So now these have been taking my trades, and I've been finding it difficult to lose a trade. See another one, and I won it. You can see, as you can see, I won this too. Look at this. Don't know if I've shown you this. I won it. I swinged this one. In fact, this trade, okay, it has closed. It closed yesterday, Monday. All right. So you can see this trade. This is when it hit the take profit. This is under 5 minutes time frame. The 5-minute time frame when the BTC actually hit take profit. You can see that. You can see that here. Actually hit my take profit right here. So, and this was Monday, early hours of Monday. It was a swing trade, like I told you before. All right. This was actually 1 to 4.8 risk to reward ratio that I use in longing this particular trade. All right, this is the daily time frame. So I took screenshots after it hit my take profit. You can see that I hit my take profit. That's it. This is my entry point. It lasted between 28th of April to 19th of May. Yeah, so I swing BTC. I like to swing BTC. Why my day trading? I trade gold. My day trading. Alright guys, that is it, and I want to see you in my next video. Please remember to subscribe to my channel. I'll be dishing out information and you will be benefiting from me, because I myself self-taught trader. I learned on my own because I said I don't have money to buy courses. I don't have money to pay for mentorship, so I had no option but to actually go ahead and learn on my own. And I tell you, the way I trade is revolutionary, and I want you to imitate that and even be better me. And I'll be dishing out information, and if you stick glued to my channel, you will always benefit from such information and use it yourself to improve your trading. All right, see you in my next video. Bye bye.